Today we are going to discuss what is hallucination, how to measure it and mitigate it. Due to hallucination, there has been a lot of losses for big companies in 2025. Therefore, it becomes very important to understand what hallucination is and what causes it. Hallucination happens when LLM is very confident on its answer but it's wrong factually. It's like a confused student who is taking a test and gives answer anyways in hope it gets correct. We know LLM is known for next token prediction. We call the same phenomena creativity when we do like it and hallucination when we don't like it. Hallucination can happen for a number of reasons. First one is pre-training data quality. So when LLM is getting trained, a lot of data is getting used. We can't ensure that every data is correct. We are just using it for next token prediction. So if pre-training data quality is not good, then hallucination can happen. Other reason can be training cutoff date. So when a LLM is getting trained, it uses data till a certain point. So what happens in world after that cutoff date, LLM doesn't know it. So it will try to predict and hallucinate. Recent OpenAI paper, Why LLM Model Hallucinate, argues that language model hallucinate because the training and evaluation procedure rewards guessing over acknowledging the uncertainty. Base model can hallucinate because they are trained for next word prediction, not to suggest the correct word. We can measure hallucination by a matrix called faithfulness or groundness by ragas. Faithfulness measures how factually consistent a response is with the retrieved context. It varies between 0 to 1, higher is the better. We can also use LLM as judge for hallucination evaluation. In this method, we ask LLM to act as evaluator and evaluate response of another LLM. Evaluator LLM can be out-of-box model like GPT, Claude, or there are some open-source hallucination evaluation models like Linux or HHEM 2.1. Temperature parameter controls the creativity of the LLM model. Higher the temperature, higher will be the creativity of model. By lowering the temperature, we reduce the chances of hallucination. Prompting techniques like giving clear and specific prompt, repeating statement at various places to not hallucinate, restricting it to use certain sources, adding chain of thought can reduce hallucination. RAG or retrieval augmented generation can also reduce hallucination to a great extent. If you want me to make detailed video on it, please comment. In post-training, models can be awarded positively for acknowledging uncertainty and negatively awarded for guessing. If you liked this video, please consider to like, comment and subscribe.